January 25th, an insanely powerful day. This is the day that all the planets in our solar system are aligning in like a straight line. And yes, it will be visible. And yes, this is the energy of creation that we can work with to create our dream reality. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that, exactly how you can utilize this energy on the day of January 25th to manifest your dream life. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Hi, I'm Alexi Gigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful that you are here. And I'm also really excited about January 25th because we don't usually see planetary alignment like this so often. And you probably have been able to see a lot of the planets in the night sky like right now this past week. I know for me, I've been seeing Venus a lot recently where I'm at. But this planetary alignment is so powerful because when the planets align like this, they're just amplifying and amplifying each other's energy, which amplifies the energy of the universe, right? Because the planets do affect the energy that we are currently in right now. It affects our energy, it affects everything's energy. So it's also amplifying our energy. And this energy that we are working with, this energy that is being amplified, is the energy of creation. It is free energy. And what can we do with the energy of free energy of creation, this fertile energy? We can use it and we can alchemize it to create our dream reality. So it is a perfect day to manifest. I always let you guys know when the perfect day to manifest is, and it is January 25th. And also because it also is kind of coinciding because it's right before the new moon in Aquarius that's happening on January 29th, which is also an insanely powerful day to manifest. So I will be creating another YouTube video just solely on that new moon because you guys know new moons are perfect times for new beginnings and setting intentions. It's also the day of the Lunar New Year. So let's get back to January 25th. Not only do all the planets align, but it's also the first mirror date of the year. Meaning that 1 plus 2 plus 5, right? If you add up the numbers of the date, it equals 8. Now, 8 in numerology is a number of abundance. It's a number of success. It's a mastery number. So it's also a very lucky day for manifestation in numerology terms. So here's a step-by-step guide on what you can do. First, you're going to get clear on what you're manifesting, right? So instead of trying to manifest a specific car or trying to manifest a job promotion or just manifesting specific things, instead, you are going to manifest becoming a new version of yourself. You're going to manifest becoming a new identity, and this identity already has all of your manifestations. This is called identity work and self-concept work. I talk about this all the time on all my social media channels. So if you've been a long-term follower of me and you've already done your identity work, you already have your new identity, you can skip this first step and go to step number 2. But if you're new to identity work, this is basically what you're going to do. First, you're going to pick an alter ego name for yourself. So this could be like Alexi 3.0. This could be a completely different name like Stephanie. And basically this alter ego, this new identity, this better version of yourself, this highest version of yourself is a version of yourself that has all of your manifestations, that has your dream car, that has your dream job, that has your dream body, that has absolutely everything you want. So instead of manifesting like those little things, you're going to manifest this identity because when you become this identity, you get all of your manifestations. So pick a name for your alter ego name and just get clear on everything this new identity has, everything that they have in new reality, and get clear on how they feel every single day, how they think, how they perceive the world, get clear on how they walk, how they stand, how they talk, get clear on who is in their life, get clear on how they look, get clear on absolutely everything, just get so detailed. And next, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us with this, so it's going to be extra easy. You're going to go into ChatGPT. It's best if you're doing this right before January 25th, but if you were watching this video on January 25th, no worries, you can obviously still do this. Go onto ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT your new identity, your alter ego name, and all the manifestations your new identity has. Now, you're going to ask ChatGPT, you're going to ask it, please give me a daily routine of this new identity that I can do on the day of January 25th, Saturday, January 25th. Please give me a morning routine, please give me a night routine, and please be extra detailed. So you're going to create a whole routine for this new identity, and what are you going to do with this? You're going to do exactly that. You're going to do your morning routine on the day of Saturday, January 25th, as your new identity, as your highest version of yourself, as your alter ego. You're going to do their morning routine. What would they do in the morning? They would probably wake up at 6 a.m. and go to the gym, right? If you're manifesting your dream body. They would probably eat a very, very healthy breakfast. They would probably control their cortisol levels. They would probably drink a lot of water. What would they do? What would they do on a Saturday? And good thing it's a Saturday too, so most of you do not have work. But if you do have work, just pick a certain activity, just one activity, even if you don't have a lot of time, if you're very busy, pick an activity that your highest self would do that you don't normally do right now, and do that on Saturday, January 25th. What you're doing is you are basically aligning your vibrational frequency with the vibrational frequency of your new identity. And when you align these two frequencies, and when you have all this energy that is created in the earth right now with this planetary alignment with the number 8, it is amplifying this energy and it's solidifying into your reality. So make sure that you vibrate at the exact vibrational frequency of your new identity. So when you ask ChatGPT, create a schedule for Saturday, January 25th that I can follow. And you can get extra detail too, and you can include your own things, but using ChatGPT is really helpful because it will literally give you like a schedule based on your new identity and what your identity has in their life. And what you're gonna do is very, very simple. You're gonna wake up in the morning and you are gonna see the world through the lens of your alter ego self. So I will be seeing the world through the lens of Alexi 3.0. And I'm going to think like her, I'm going to feel like her, I'm going to move like her, I'm going to stand like her, I'm going to talk like her, I'm going to write like her, I'm going to do my makeup like her, I'm going to feel like her. Feeling like her is the number one thing, because feeling is the one and only medium to your subconscious mind. That is where all the magic happens. You're going to go throughout your entire day on January 25th acting, feeling, thinking, moving as this new identity that has all your manifestations. This is linking up that energetic frequency between you and your new identity. Best day to do it is on January 25th. And also too, this isn't a one-time thing. This can be a lifestyle for you, okay? Manifestation is more of a lifestyle, and I'm just plugging that in there because I do want you guys to know that manifestation is a lifestyle. If you do this every single day of your life, it will come true. I promise you that. Just waking up and seeing the world through perception, through the lens of your highest self, and making decisions like that version of you, you will have no choice but to become your highest self. So don't only do this on the day of January 25th, do it every single day. But if there is the best day to start it, it would be January 25th or January 29th of the new moon. Also, the energies just surrounding these days are insanely powerful. Now, if you have things planned for January 25th and you can't do a whole schedule, or just there are certain blocks that prohibit you from doing like a full schedule that your identity would be doing for whatever reason, just make sure that you pick activities that you can do throughout the day, even if it's just like a morning routine, like getting up a little bit earlier, or going to the gym on Saturday, or drinking green tea in the morning, or drinking spearmint tea at night for your skin. Just doing these little things to connect you to your new identity is going to help with that energy, that creation energy of bringing that reality of your new identity into this reality. So let's get into the ritual that you can do on the evening of January 25th to amplify all of this even more. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a journal, you're going to need a pen or a pencil to write with, and then you're also going to need things to set the ambiance and to set the mood and to set the vibe. So I highly recommend you play 432 hertz frequency. This is the frequency of creation. This is the frequency of free energy, and it dates back from the Dendera temple in ancient Egypt. It's literally in that temple, and I can make a whole video on this because I'm obsessed with ancient Egypt. But the 432 hertz frequency is the manifestation frequency. It's a miracle manifestation frequency. And if you need some good recommendations, I have my Spotify playlist linked in the description and in my bio that has a bunch of high vibrational frequencies, especially this 432 hertz frequency. My favorite is the miracle manifestation frequency. That's the one that it's called. Make sure you play that frequency. Next, you're gonna have some candles. So light some candles. White candles are perfect for this because they represent fertile energy, free energy, and new beginnings, and they're great to set intentions on. Next, what you're gonna do is if you have some incense, if you have some sage, if you have some Palo Santo, use that to just cleanse your body, cleanse your space, and to just get into the moment and release yourself of any stagnant energies. Next, you're gonna get your journal entry out. And whatever you chose to do during the day on January 25th, if you did every little detail as your highest self, even better. But even if you just did like an activity, you're gonna write a journal entry dated January 25th, 2026. And you are gonna write in this journal entry, like as this is like your nightly journal entry, and you are going to write down the entire day of your highest self, of your identity that has all of your manifestations. You're going to get so detailed down to what you were wearing during the day, down to the conversations that you had, down to how you felt. Very, very important. How you felt, how you thought, absolutely everything. You're going to write that down in your journal as if you were writing just like your nightly journal entry. Next, you're going to take that journal entry and you're going to go outside. I know it is winter, especially where I am. I'm in Boston right now and it is so cold. Just go outside for 2 seconds. That is all you need. Go outside, and if you can stand barefoot outside. Go outside with this journal, rip the page out, stand outside with this and read it out loud to the universe. Read it out loud. And then you are going to fold that piece of paper towards you 3 times. And you are going to repeat, the universe is always working in my favor. I love being your alter ego name. So for example, I love being Alexi 3.0, and then say, I am so grateful for this life that I live. I love my life. I am grateful. I am filled with gratitude, and so it is. And then what you're going to do with that piece of paper is you're going to take that piece of paper and you're going to sleep with it underneath your pillow for the night of January 25th. And honestly, I recommend sleeping with this piece of paper underneath your pillow through the new moon, which is on January 29th, because that's also a lot of manifestation, new intention energy. And that is it. That is exactly how you can utilize this energy to manifest and create your dream reality. Now, I just want to remind you guys that manifestation isn't a one and done thing. Yes, we have days like this which are amazing to amplify that energy and get things going and get things initiated and like power our manifestations and power our dream reality, right? Like we have all this energy to work with and it's so amazing to work with. But manifestation isn't a one and done thing. If you do this one ritual and you believe that it's your reality every single day, it will become your reality. But you need to make manifestation a lifestyle. Don't only spend Saturday through the lens of your highest self like we talked about. Spend every single day thinking like this identity. You will become this person. This is the strongest way to manifest absolutely anything into your reality. And I can get even deeper into the quantum physics of it, into the science of it, into the whole aspect of identity work and self-concept work. If you want me to make a whole separate video on exactly how to do identity work and like getting so in depth with it, I made a lot on my TikTok. If you guys haven't checked that out, but I can make an in-depth video, a long form content video, everything for identity work, because it is so powerful. I know that you guys are going to get every single one of your manifestations because I believe in you, and you have to believe in you too. You have all the tools, you have all the power in the entire universe to get your dream reality. So become your new identity, become your highest self. I love you guys so much, and let me know down in the comments what your alter ego name is. I will see you guys in my next video, and if you're listening on my podcast, I will see you on my next episode.